Hello, today I am here to talk to you about spice and the harmful consequences it can have on your career in the Air Force. I was like you once. A staff sergeant who had everything going for him, but I threw it all away just to get high. It started as a casual thing. I would only smoke when I was with my friends. They told me it was okay, because it can't be traced in a drug test. I started smoking more and more often. Before I knew it, I was going into the bathroom right before guard month to get my morning fix. Talk about a rush. Have you ever pulled someone over while you were high? This one time when I was high, I pulled over this guy and he told me he didn't have proof of insurance. I dry stunned that motherfucker in the neck with my taser. I didn't give a fuck. It got to the point where I was fucked up 24/7. I didn't care about anything. Professionalism went further down the toilet with every bong rip I took. I lost all military bearing. My flight chief confronted me one day and I lit up a joint, blew that sweet kush in his face and told him to lick my ballsack. It wasn't too long after that I got a dishonorable discharge and now I couldn't get a job anywhere. I spent most of my day begging for money just to pay for my spice problem. If worse comes to worse, I will blindside an old lady with a baseball bat to the head and steal her purse. So, if you don't want to wind up like me, I suggest you quit smoking spice, but if you are already on a downward spiral and you don't give a fuck, then let's kick it and get fucked up.